In today's video, we'll explore the most extreme places on Earth. The hottest, coldest, wettest, and driest places that redefine extreme. You thought you had a rough day when you spilled your coffee? Well, think again and prepare to meet places where even your coffee would freeze before it hits the ground. And that's just the tip of the iceberg, literally. There are people and communities that decided to call these places home. We're diving into weather so wild it makes a roller coaster seem like a walk in the park. So fasten your seatbelts, folks, and get ready to marvel at the planet's most jaw-dropping meteorological antics. Welcome to the hottest place on Earth, the notorious Death Valley. Nestled within the Mojave Desert in California, USA, Death Valley isn't just a name, it's a testament to nature's awe-inspiring extremes. Located in the rain shadow of the Sierra Nevada mountains, Death Valley's extreme conditions are unrivaled. This arid wasteland boasts the highest reliably recorded air temperature on Earth, a staggering 56.7 degrees Celsius in 1913. Rainfall here is a rarity, with an average annual precipitation of less than 2 inches. In some years, raindrops don't even touch the desert floor. But let's rewind the sands of time. During the last ice age, Death Valley was cooler and wetter, with larger lakes and more vegetation. However, as the ice age ended and the planet's climate warmed, this basin transformed into a scorching furnace. The scientific reasons behind Death Valley's extreme conditions are multifaceted. Its location below sea level, the lowest point in North America, intensifies temperatures due to the air pressure difference between the valley and higher altitudes. The surrounding mountain ranges trap heat and prevent cool air from reaching the valley floor. The dry air and clear skies exacerbate temperature fluctuations, allowing heat to escape during the night, leading to significant temperature swings. Yet life thrives amidst these challenges. Remarkably adapted plants and animals like creosote bushes, desert tortoises, and sidewinder rattlesnakes call this harsh environment home. The Timbisha Shoshone Native American tribe has lived in this region for centuries, exhibiting an inspiring resilience that's reflected in their cultural practices. Historically, Death Valley has witnessed human endeavors that mirror its extreme nature. During the gold rush, prospectors ventured into the valley seeking riches, but were met with the valley's unyielding hostility. Records show stories of survival and despair, a testament to the human spirit's capacity to adapt, even in the face of adversity. Now let us forget the heat and welcome you to the coldest place on Earth, the ethereal realm of Antarctica's East Antarctic Plateau. Far removed from civilization's warmth, this land of extremes challenges the limits of human endurance and unveils the wonders of an icy wilderness. Located at the heart of Antarctica, the East Antarctic Plateau is a barren expanse that stands as the coldest inhabited place on the planet. In 2010, temperatures plummeted to a mind-numbing -89.2 degrees Celsius here, a bone-chilling record that exemplifies the icy grip of this region. Precipitation is scant, with many areas receiving less moisture than the driest deserts. But let's journey into the past. Around 34 million years ago, Antarctica began its icy transformation. As the continent drifted southward, its isolation led to the buildup of ice, resulting in the colossal ice sheet that blankets the region today. The scientific explanations behind this frigid dominion are intertwined with its geography. The East Antarctic Plateau's high elevation contributes to its extreme cold by allowing cold air to pool at the surface. Its location near the South Pole ensures that it is shrouded in darkness for a significant part of the year, exacerbating the cold. Moreover, the polar vortex, a massive circulation of cold air, envelops the region and further intensifies the freeze. Life in this cold desert is a study in resilience. Despite the harsh conditions, certain organisms like extremophiles, adapted to life in extreme environments, manage to thrive in Antarctica's frozen wasteland. Penguins and seals brave the frigid waters and unforgiving conditions, while scientific research stations continue to push the boundaries of human habitation. Historically, Antarctica has been a realm of exploration and adventure. The race to reach the South Pole between explorers Roald Amundsen and Robert Falcon Scott epitomized the daring spirit of human discovery and tested the limits of human perseverance. Step into a realm where rain is a relentless symphony, where lush vegetation blankets the landscape, and where the air is heavy with moisture. Welcome to the wettest place on Earth, the captivating Mawsynram in northeastern India. In this enchanting corner of the world, rain isn't just weather, it's a way of life. Nestled in the state of Meghalaya, Mawsynram experiences an astonishing annual average rainfall of about 11.9 meters. Rain is not just a seasonal visitor here, it's a constant companion. The monsoon season transforms the region into a verdant paradise, while mist and drizzle paint the landscape with a surreal beauty, even during the dry months. But let's rewind to understand the story behind this wet wonderland. The geography of Mawsynram plays a significant role in its extreme rainfall. The village is perched atop the Khasi Hills, facing the Bay of Bengal. When moisture-laden winds from the warm Indian Ocean sweep in, they collide with the cool air of the hills, causing the air to rise and release its moisture as rain. But what does the past reveal? Mawsynram's heavy rainfall isn't a recent phenomenon. For generations, the local Khasi people have cultivated unique techniques to manage the intense rainfall, including constructing living root bridges made from the roots of trees, which become stronger as they grow and intertwine. Amidst the deluge, life thrives in Mawsynram's abundance. Lush forests, vibrant flowers, and diverse wildlife find their sanctuary in this watery paradise. The local Khasi community has adapted to the constant rain, building houses on stilts to stay above the rising waters. Historically, Mawsynram's relationship with rain is deeply ingrained in its culture. Rainfall is celebrated with festivals and rituals, as the villagers recognize both the blessings and challenges it brings. The driest place on Earth, the hauntingly surreal Atacama Desert in Chile. In this otherworldly expanse, the absence of water shapes the very essence of existence. Nestled along the western coast of South America, the Atacama Desert is a desolate wonderland that receives an average of just 1 millimeter of rainfall per year. Rainfall is so scarce that some regions have never recorded any measurable rain in decades. The landscape appears almost Martian, with vast stretches of salt flats, sand dunes, and rocky formations. The scientific reasons behind the Atacama Desert's extreme aridity are tightly linked to its geography and prevailing weather patterns. Its proximity to the cold Humboldt Current offshore chills the air and limits its capacity to hold moisture, resulting in an atmosphere that simply cannot support rain. But what does history reveal? The Atacama Desert's dry embrace isn't a recent development. For centuries, the desert has held a mystical allure, with salt flats and other unique geological features captivating explorers and scientists alike. While the desert may seem inhospitable, life finds ingenious ways to adapt and survive. Microscopic life forms like extremophiles, capable of living in extreme conditions, inhabit the desert's most inhospitable corners. Indigenous communities like the Atacamino people have found ways to thrive in harmony with the desert's harsh environment, drawing upon ancient wisdom and cultural practices. Historically, the Atacama Desert's barren landscapes have been intertwined with human endeavors, from mining for precious minerals to scientific exploration that seeks to understand life's limits. As we wrap up this incredible voyage, let's reflect on the astounding extremes we've encountered. From the blistering heat of Death Valley to the frosty embrace of Antarctica's East Antarctic Plateau, from the lush wonders of Mawsynram to the eerie desolation of the Atacama Desert, these places redefine the concept of extreme. Life, against all odds, finds a way to adapt, from tenacious plants to resilient animals and human communities. If these meteorological wonders have left you in awe, a thumbs up, a comment, and sharing with fellow adventurers would mean the world to us. Don't forget to subscribe for more riveting explorations, ensuring you're always on the cutting edge of discovery. And before we go, ponder this. What does it truly take to thrive in the face of such extreme challenges? Share your thoughts below. We're eager to hear your insights. Until our next exploration, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep seeking the extraordinary.